In this guide, I'm gonna show you guys how to watch Fox NFL games on Fox One. Let's get started. You can either connect an existing cable or live TV provider or subscribe directly to Fox One if you don't have a TV provider. If you already have a TV provider such as YouTube TV, Hulu Plus, Live TV, Fubo or Xfinity, start by downloading and opening the Fox One app on your smart TV, streaming device, phone or tablet. Open the profile menu and select Connect TV Provider. An activation code should appear on your screen. Using your phone or computer, visit the activation website displayed in the app. Enter the code, select your TV provider and sign in with provider credentials. Once your account is verified, you can return to Fox One and start watching the Fox programming available through your subscription. If you don't have a cable or streaming TV provider, you can subscribe directly to Fox One. Open the Fox One app on supported device, select the option to start a subscription or free trial, choose your preferred plan and complete the checkout process. Once your subscription is active, open the sports section and look for the available live NFL games on Fox, including regional Sunday afternoon matchups and other Fox NFL broadcasts available in your market. If you cannot access a game, make sure your Fox One subscription or TV provider authorization is active and that Fox station carrying the game is available in your location. Also ensure Fox One app is updated to the latest version. And that's it. If this video was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.